Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and feeling happy today. In today's video I will share a beautiful Easter art Today I am sharing a lovely Easter centerpiece decoration ideas with you. This centerpiece is simple, elegant and perfect for spring tables. Let's get started and enjoy these peaceful decorating moments together. Easter is a time of freshness, soft colors, and new beginnings. A beautiful centerpiece help bring that feeling into the table. This Easter centerpiece is designed to look clean, warm, and welcome. To start, choose a page for your centerpiece. You can use a tray, or plate, or a simple table turner. This helps keep everything neat and balanced. Next, add flowers to your centerpiece. Fresh flowers or artificial flowers both work well. Spring flowers like tulips, rose, daisy are perfect for Easter. Soft colors such as white, pink, yellow, light green give a gentle look. Now adds greenery around the flowers. Green leaves bring life, freshness to the arrangement. They also help connect all the elements together. For Easter details, you can add decorative eggs and small bunny figures. Place them carefully so the centerpiece look natural, not crowned. Simple placements make the decoration look more elegant too. Many also add candles for a warm and cozy touch. Choose small candles that not block the view across the tables. The soft lights add comfort and beauty to the Easter table. This centerpiece works well for Easter breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Its look also lovely on coffee tables or side tables. The design is easy to adjust for small or large space. What makes the centerpiece special is its simple as you don't need expensive items or too many decorations, just soft colors, natural elements, and a little creative. This style fits modern, classic, and farmhouse. It brings space, beauty, and Easter joy into your space. If you want a clean look, use styling tips. If you want a clean look, use one main colors for a cheerful Easter style mix of pastel colors. You can reuse this decoration every year with small changes. Keep the centerpiece low so everyone can talk and enjoy the meals together. Good centerpiece should decorate the tables without talking over and viewers. Add small details. Decorating egg brings a festive touch without being too much. Place and gentle around the flowers. Green is very important for balance. It's add freshness and make the centerpiece feel alive. Use it lightly. Soft tables still look open and airy. You can also add small candles for warm decorative. Create a cozy and welcome atmosphere. Make sure they are placed safely and not too tall. This Easter centerpiece is perfect for family meals. It's brings beauty to the tables without blocking communication. Simple decoration often feel the most special. And the viewers, I Hope this Easter centerpiece inspire you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Wishing you a peaceful and happy Easter. See you next time. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.